Larry a little feisty. Hold on. Can I grab your tail, Larry?
No. No.
There you go.
30-pounder there, baby. Oh!
I'm gonna blind him. Neo, he just wants to be friend. Chewy!
Cats make me happy.
Is he talking?
Hi.
Oh my god.
Ow! He bit me.
Get closer! Get closer! Get him! Oh my god, you can't.
Really, Karma?
Hey!
113?
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean?
Watch now.
Most of them Marines. The Marines were killed, according to CENTCOM, as they were doing searches, as they were doing...
Did the ears ever go back? She's gonna carry your tail up.
Sandler, what happens when you chew a hole in Mama's blanket? Are you stuck?
Whoa, hey now. What? You don't like it? What? Not happy? Xander, wait. Alright, I make it go. Oh!
That's so sweet. Look how mean. Look how mean she looks. She's like, just bring your face up here.
Mackenzie!
Let me see that baby.
You got the second base with Mackenzie.
Ow, that hurts. That hurts.
Don't put it on me!
I'm in the water. Look how wet.
See, it's funny, this bird doesn't go crazy whenever I'm close to
Do it!
Mom, I'm scared of your dog. Scared of it?
Real funny.
When your dog tries to go steal the dog food out of the bag, but then gets stuck. I have never seen something so funny. Maggie, are you having problems, honey? Oh, you're not having problems? So, you can get out of the bag. Can you get out of the bag, or you...